Okay students, let us discuss creation of a text box. A text box is a placeholder where you can enter text. A text box can be used to manipulate text and give new graphical effects. You can move the text box along with its contents anywhere in the document.
Okay students, you can give a cover page to your document by clicking on Insert tab, then go to Cover Page option. Similarly, you can add sidebar strip in your document by clicking on Insert tab, then go to Text Box option. Now I will tell you how to create text box.
Select the Insert tab. Click on the text box button in the text group. Select the Draw Text Box option from the drop-down menu. Click and drag the mouse pointer on the document to create the text box. The text box will be drawn with the insertion point inside it.
You can resize the text box by dragging its handles. Type the text. It automatically adjusts and shifts to the next line with respect to the box area.
Now let me share a tip with you. To change text box style, select the text box. The Format tab appears with Drawing Tools. Click on the More drop-down arrow in the Shape Styles group to display more styles option. Move the pointer over the styles and select any desired style. Let me now tell you about working with shapes. The Shapes is a drawing feature that helps you to draw various shapes like stars, banners, callouts, connectors, etc. With the help of these shapes, you can draw attention and provide impact to your message. To insert shape, follow these steps. Click on the Shapes button in the Illustrations group on the Insert tab. A drop-down menu displays various options like lines, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, flow chart, callouts, stars and banners, etc. as shown in the figure. Point to the basic shapes and select the smiley face. The pointer changes into crosshair symbol. Drag it on the working area. The selected shape appears in the document. The Format tab appears. Select any shape style from the Shape Styles gallery. Click on the More drop-down menu to select option from the More Shape Style list. Students, let me share an interesting tip with you. To maintain the height and width ratio of a shape, hold down the Shift key while you drag the shape. Okay, let us talk about placing text in shapes. You can also insert text in the shape. To add text in a shape, select the desired shape and drag it according to your need. Right-click on the drawing object and select the Add Text option from the shortcut menu. The insertion point appears in the object. Now you can type the text. Before we move further, can you differentiate between Shape Fill tool versus Shape Outline tool? Alright students, let us now learn how to use drawing tools. All the drawing features are present in the Shapes drop-down menu. Let us create a hut using various shapes. Select the Line tool and draw the outline of the hut. To select the outline of the hut, hold down the Shift key and click on each line individually. Click on the Shape Outline drop-down list in the Shape Styles group on the Format tab. Select the Weight option and click on 3-point line. To draw a door, select the Rectangle tool and drag inside the hut. Click on the Shape Fill tool in the Shape Styles group on the Format tab and fill any color of your choice. Now change the outline color of the door by selecting the Shape Outline tool. Select the Oval tool and draw a window in a hut. To duplicate the drawing objects, you can use Ctrl+C for copying and Ctrl+V for pasting the objects. To make clouds, click on the Callouts option in the Shapes list and select the cloud callout. Now drag the shape and fill gray color inside it.
To display rain shower, draw a line, then select the dashes option from the Shape Outline tool on the Format tab. Select the square dots and observe its effect. Type the text Beautiful Hut and select it. Change the text color by selecting the Font Color tool in the Font group on the Home tab.